Hi, my name is Samantha and I have been studying pre-hospital emergency care at Ahansick College for 3 years. Pre-hospital emergency care is a technique given in college and it took 3 years to learn everything you have to know about the paramedic's job. One of the problems with the scholars process is that one of the most important courses is only given during the first year of the technique. It's important for a paramedic to understand the anatomy and the physiology of the human body, to make connections between the signs and symptoms of the patient and his illness. The anatomy and physiology are the base of everything. So I found a website about this on the internet that can be very helpful if one day, as a paramedic, I'm not sure about something related to the anatomy or physiology. The website is called HealthLine. So you just have to type the URL on the address bar in the top center of the page, healthline.com/human body maps, and it will lead you to the right page of the website. Once on the website, you have all the different sections colored in blue, and if you want to have more information about the nervous system, you just have to click on it and it will lead you to the right section. For each of them, you have a little summary about what is the system, and if you want to read more about it, you just have to click on the Read More button in blue. Then you'll have more information about what the system is and how it works. You also have a 3D representation of the system. You just have to click on the back arrow in the top left corner to go back on the main page. You also have every body part of the system on each section, and when you click on one of them, you will have information about what this part is and what his functions are. This website also offers more information about other diseases that can be important to know for a paramedic. You can find them when you click on the menu bar in the top left corner of the page. And when you click on one of them, you have all the important information about the disease. This website can be as useful for paramedics as for those who are not, because all of you have a body and it's important to know how it works. So that's why I will choose this website as a reference when I will be a paramedic.